All right, I'm going to show you how to take a rolling screenshot on your Google Pixel. So when you have a long page like this, you don't need to snap a bunch of different screenshots and then stitch those together. Instead, you can just capture it all in one long rolling screenshot. The way we do this, you're going to press the power button and volume down button to take a regular screenshot. And then, when you see that little screenshot preview appear in the bottom left corner, there's going to be a little arrow button there that allows us to change it from a regular screenshot to a longer rolling screenshot. So I'll take that screenshot, and then there's our button. I'll press that, and you get a page like this, where you can then select the crop to see how much of that page you want to capture in the screenshot. You can do a part of the page or the whole page, and then tap Save when you're ready. And there it is. The screenshot will go to your Photos app. So if I go to Photos and Collections, I can go to Screenshots, and there is our screenshot, captured in high resolution. Sometimes if you're doing this and you don't see that little arrow button appear, that can happen when Chrome halts its background rendering, when your phone is running low on memory. So if you don't see the button, what you can do is go to the app switcher and simply close your Chrome app and then relaunch it and try again. Usually that'll bring the button back. Also, something good to know, apps like YouTube, Chrome, and settings menus support this type of scrolling screenshot perfectly, but apps with heavily secured content, like banking apps, or highly customized infinite scroll layouts, like certain social media feeds for example, they may block the feature or hide the capture button entirely. Anyways, that is how you take a scrolling screenshot on your Google Pixel phone. Click that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this one.